Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys, pretty much any BMW, and you have a 6-cylinder engine such as N51, N52, N53, N54 or N55 engine guys, and you're trying to find where your engine starter is located, stay with us guys and we're going to explain that today guys. We'll demonstrate on that 6-cylinder engine we have here at the shop. Quick introduction to the channel: every single car we get at the shop we make guys at least 200 free repair videos provided to you for free guys. But specifically on BMWs, every BMW we get at the shop we make at least 400 to 500 videos. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information to you. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts or tools, we'll have the link shared in the description of the video below as well for your convenience. So we guys have a 3 Series BMW with a 6-cylinder engine that we will demonstrate where the engine starter is located and how to get to it. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. We're going to explain guys, okay, what needs to be done to get to there, but if you want to see any of the specific videos, we will have the links shared in the description of the video below. You will need to remove your air filter box guys. This is your air filter box. You will need to remove your intake boot and the throttle body right there. Once you do all that, you will need to remove your intake manifold. Okay, it takes quite a bit of work guys. We will share the video with you, okay, on the channel. Check it out, how to remove, okay, the intake manifold. We will share guys that in the description of the video below. We will have the link. So once you guys remove all that, you will have to make sure that your car battery is disconnected when you're working close to the starter. Looking at your engine block now guys, okay, looking at your engine block, let me show you now. If you come guys, okay, right here, this is your engine starter guys. Okay, this is your engine starter. This is a positive wire coming from the battery and one is going towards the alternator. So now if you touch this with anywhere on the engine or metal, you're going to short things out. You will see sparks, you can catch on fire, extremely dangerous. So you always have to start with completely disconnected car battery before you start on the repair. And once you remove the intake manifold, you get to the engine starter. You guys have, this is the ignition wire, okay, that starts your car. This is the 12-volt wire that actually feeds power to the starter. Disconnect these 2 wires and you have only 2 bolts that you need to remove with reverse torques. One is right here, one is on this side guys. So 2 bolts and that starter will come out. Now if you guys want to see how to test the starter, how to service it, we will have that video on the channel coming very soon as well guys, because there is no need to replace it, okay, if your starter checks out fine. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.